Well, here we are. It's day 4 of the Great Arkansas Blizzard. 17 degrees this afternoon. It's 2 o'clock. And this is old hippie biker reporting on this weather event. It's very unusual here in Arkansas. We just measured the total snowfall. Even though it's been snowing since last night, it still only shows 6 inches of snow. I guess it's getting packed in from yesterday. And like I said, it's only 17 degrees out here Fahrenheit. That makes it about a negative 8.333 Celsius for all those people that use the Celsius scale. Not much more to report. The roads are all white. The snow keeps falling down, but it is cold, it is wet, and we're not going anywhere today. Good thing we got food. Anyways, this is day 4 of the Great Arkansas Blizzard. And for all of you out there that are suffering from power outages and whatnot, my prayers are with you. We did have some power outages here in Arkansas, but our governor complained about it, and it seems like for now they're stopping those rolling blackouts. Entergy, the local, who we get our energy from, sit down suggestions told us to turn our hot water heaters off, not to to use any type of turn all of our appliances off and things like that. But we need heat. I mean, I got an electric heater and it's not doing so hot. It's been, I got the thermostat set at 68. I can't get it above 65 in the apartment. Of course I'm going to use auxiliary heat. This snow event really sucks, and hopefully next week, they tell us, it's going to get a little bit warmer, and maybe we'll be back out on the motorcycle then. If you like this video, hit like, don't forget to share, and subscribe to the Hippie Biker Sullivan channel. Oh, by the way, I'm probably mispronouncing that, but that's Latin for the solitary wanderer. Anyways, have a great day and stay warm, stay fed, and be safe.